My name is Shelby Shore, and I will be showing you the proper tone production and embouchure positioning of your flute with your flute. The first thing is your embouchure. You should first have a correct embouchure, or you will never be able to create a good tone. And the first thing I always think of is like spitting seeds out almost, like little watermelon seeds even. You want to, that's what a good way to remember it by. Another way is a drinking straw. Think of a drinking straw. It might help to just get a straw and put it between your lips and blow through it. And you can see that how big the embouchure is and how tight my corners can be. And the only opening in my lips is right in the middle. When you're playing higher notes, you want to have a smaller embouchure, a smaller hole in your embouchure, a tighter one. And it won't happen very well at first, but once you build up the muscles in your face and get more used to producing a good embouchure, it will come easier and easier to create a higher register of with your embouchure. It should look like this. This is this is for your lower notes, and this is for your higher notes, which is a smaller embouchure. As you can see, it's like this wide, but it's really super thin because you want to cover the hole in your lip plate right here. And I'll demonstrate a B flat scale, and I will start at the lower octave and then I'll go up higher. I will zoom in for you so you can see what an embouchure would look like on the lower register, and then I'll show you what it would look like on a higher register. When dealing with good tone production, you want to have a clear sound, no extra sounds of like air bursting out of the side of your lips or any like throat noises. I like to call them throat noises, where you make funny noises with your throat on accident. A good way to get rid of that is singing and playing. If you can figure out how to sing and play, it's a good way to get rid of those noises, those back throat noises. Another way to think of it as being as open and whole as you can think of, rounded edges, and don't confuse that with having really crazy vibrato, because that doesn't necessarily mean that you have a really good tone either. Here's what a bad tone would sound like on a B flat. And here's what a good tone would sound like on a B flat. If you ever have any problems with these, a good way to help you out is sitting in front of a mirror and looking at your lips and watching what they're doing, what you're doing when you're playing certain notes, and keep in mind that this is very important for tone production. If you don't have the embouchure down, you can't produce a good tone.